Welcome back to my channel, Hidden Beauty by Tosh. Today, as you can tell by the title of this video, what am I doing today? I'm doing the 100 layers makeup challenge. So pretty much what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting makeup, like a foundation, whatever foundation that you want to do, and mine is going to be the Matte and Poreless Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And you're going to take that foundation and you're literally going to do 100 layers on your skin. 100 freaking layers of foundation. I don't think I've ever done 10 layers of foundation, so this should be really interesting. But I was looking through YouTube and I actually was stumbling across some like challenges and videos and stuff, because I watch YouTube myself like a lot, so I don't just make videos, I watch YouTube videos religiously. So I was seeing the 100 layers makeup challenge, like a few people were doing it. It was like a little while back that it was getting done, but so I feel like I'm a little behind, but I really don't care. I want to do it, it looks fun, and yeah, so I was like looking at videos and like I just said, it looks so fun. So I really want to do it, and it's going to be a freaking disaster and it's going to look like shit, but I mean, that's kind of the point, right? So if you guys are interested to see my 100 layers makeup challenge, continue watching my video. Okay, so like I said in my intro, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. This is the color, I'll let you know in a sec, Natural Ivory. Natural Ivory, and the number is 112. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do before I go ahead and do this thing is I want to prime my face. I don't know if that's against the rules. I don't think so, because I'm just using primer. So I'm just going to use my Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth primer. So this is the one that I've been recently using, which is also the one that's in my everyday drugstore makeup routine. So then I just go ahead and I put this on my face. Okay, so now that I went ahead and put my primer on, I'm going to go ahead and start the challenge. I'm going to grab my foundation, I'm going to grab my beauty blender, which is my e.l.f. beauty blender. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the palm of my hand, okay? I'm going to grab the beauty blender. And we're going to pray. We're going to pray. So this is my first layer that I did. Well, obviously the layer looks good because this foundation fucking rocks. So we're on to the first layer. Okay, so this is 20 layers of makeup so far. So this is what it looks like. So you can tell it's very thick. It's kind of smearing off a little bit, and I look like a ghost, like straight up like a ghost. Like it looks like a mask. But that's 20 layers of makeup so far. Got a bunch more to go, so okay, so 50 layers so far, 50 layers of foundation. Okay, so boom boom, that's what it looks like. It's like dripping, and I still got 50 more layers to go. 85 layers of makeup. It's freaking ridiculous. I look like a freaking blob. Oh my god. And I did not clean my lips. I'm going to do that afterwards, but it's what it is. 85 layers. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so itchy. I am so itchy. Oh my god. It's all done. This is my 100 layers of makeup. This is what it looks like. Try to fix the camera a bit. It is freaking thick. There's a lot of shit going on right here. Look at it. I'm like drenched. Can you picture me with this type of makeup? I can't. Okay, one last thing that I'm gonna do. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. Oh my god. Last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put powder on and some bronzer and blush just to give you guys a little bit of a funny look, how it would look like if someone actually was to wear this type of makeup. So stay tuned for that, I guess. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I added some powder, blush, all that stuff. It is cakey as hell. Alright, it's so cakey. So obviously I didn't expect anything of it. It was more for just a good laugh. But yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe and like and comment down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed my 100 layers of makeup challenge, and I will see you guys back in my next video. Have a great day. Bye!